Alright, this is a 1995 Chambers 5000 BTU window air conditioner. This is made by Whirlpool. It's got I believe it's an Emerson fan motor in this one. It's actually a non-PSC motor. It's just a regular induction motor, which is kind of interesting. And a Matsu compressor. It's obviously R22. Let's see what the model number is. I'm just going to let you read that. That's a lot to read off. I saved this from the side of the road a couple years ago, and it was in absolutely horrible condition. The front grill was laying in a pile of trash next to it. Thankfully, I actually found it. No filter. Fan motor was completely seized solid. Coils were completely plugged up in every way. I actually had to use like barbecue degreaser on the evaporator coil to get the disgusting crap off of it that was on there. So I can only imagine what the inside of the house this thing lived its life in looked like. But after a whole ton of work, this thing actually works pretty good now. It's not in too bad a shape. The grill's not busted up or anything. It's got a makeshift filter in it from a dehumidifier that fits okay enough to work. Here's the controls. That piece of paper is to stop this from rattling so loud you can hear it throughout the entire house. So let's go ahead and fire the fan up. This fan motor is extremely wore out and the bearings are shot, so it's a little bit rally sometimes it sounds good. Today it sounds pretty good. Here it's got a little bit of a whine to it, which I kind of like. I'm fine with it. Go medium, which is usually where I leave it on. High. Alright, go back to medium, get some compressor. Definitely not the smoothest unit in the world, but I like this old thing. Amazingly enough, the sliders are actually 100% intact on this thing still. They're not broke at all. The tape's just to kind of help seal up the little air gaps. That's pretty good. Probably good 15 degree or so temp split. Does just a tiny bit better in the hair I did the last video on. Alright. Check that out. Alright, shut it down. That noise is the very, very wore out fan bearings. When the motor shuts off, the shaft kind of drops down just a little bit, and then it doesn't sound so hot. But yeah, that's it for that one. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.